In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Canva to Word file Canva to Microsoft Word export. By the end, you'll have a clean, editable Word document from your Canva project, using either a direct download or a reliable PDF to Word conversion inside Microsoft Word. Start by opening the Canva doc project you want to convert. Make sure the content is finalized the way you want it to appear in Word, since the export will reflect what you see on the canvas. In the top right corner, click Share. From the menu that appears, choose Download. You'll see a file type drop-down, open that and select Microsoft Word, shown as .docx. This is the quickest path and keeps your text editable. Click Download and Canva will prepare and save a Word file to your computer. Once it's finished, you now have a .docx you can open in Microsoft Word and start editing. This method typically preserves headings, paragraphs, and most spacing, making it ideal for documents and text-heavy layouts. If you prefer an alternative, or if the .docx option isn't available for your design type, you can download a PDF instead. Go back to the Download panel and select PDF Standard. This option is optimized for smaller file sizes and works well for general documents. Click Download and wait for the PDF to finish saving to your device. Now switch to Microsoft Word. Open Word, go to File, then Open, and select the PDF you just downloaded from Canva. Word will prompt you to convert the PDF to an editable document. This is normal. Click OK, and if you see an Enable Editing button at the top, click that as well. Word will process the file and recreate the text and layout as closely as possible in an editable format. When the conversion completes, go to File, choose Save As, and save your file as a Word document with the .docx extension. You've now turned your Canva PDF into a standard Word file. That's it. Thanks for watching.